Hi everybody. I just want to make this quick video to explain how we use our CASA presets and also how simple they are to use. So let's dig right in. So on this photo, I'm going to bring up my exposure a little bit. It's a little bit dark, so just bring it up a touch. Um, I really like how this CASA Art 1 preset looks on this photo. So I think I maybe set that exposure a little too high. I'll bring it back down a little bit. About there looks perfect. Next on this photo here, let's see. I really like how this art preset looks. First I'm going to set my exposure. Yeah, that looks good. Use this Art 2 preset. I'm going to bring my highlights. Now I'm actually going to bring the shadows up a little bit. Just a little. Yeah, I like that right there. Awesome. So we also created these grain presets as well. Fairy dust grain and desert sand grain. So I'm going to zoom in here on this and show you exactly what those look like. So here's the fairy dust grain. It's a very light, just to add a little bit of that texture to the photo. And then, so I'll apply that to here. I really like how that looks. Alright, here's this photo of our good friend Emily. See. Yeah, I really like how this art 3 looks. I'm gonna bring the shadows up a little bit. Awesome. And I really like this desert sand grain. So this is a heavier grain. It gives a lot more of a film look to it. I really like how that looks on this picture. Awesome, so now let's do this Art 4 photo. The exposure is a little high. I'll bring it down just a touch. And I also feel like this photo looks a little bit warm. We like to have a cooler tone to our look to our images. So bring it down a tiny bit. And that's about right. Awesome. Alright, and here's the black and white preset. This one might also look good with a little bit of grain as well. Yeah, I really like how that looks. Awesome. Now on this one, I'm just going to show you guys how to use I'm going to show you how to use the white balance dropper, or this dropper here, to adjust the white balance, because I really like the way this preset looks once the white balance is fixed. So you can kind of play around with this a little bit to find exactly the look you're looking for. So you really want to set it to the most true whites, the most true white part of the image. So we'll try here. And I don't really care for that. Let's try somewhere else. Yeah, so I like how it looks when I drag the dropper to the wall here, so we'll go with that. Awesome. This last photo here, we'll try that again, because I really do like the way that this image looks. We'll just play with this a little bit with the dropper tool. So there's really not a lot of white in this picture. The closest thing I have to white is her teeth. So I'll set it. Yeah, and I really like how it looks. So yeah, that's basically how we edit with our CASA presets. If you guys have any questions, just shoot us an email and let us know. Thanks for watching.